today I have a very special video because I got something very cool sent to me by a certain company that makes teardowns of classic products like Gameboy Colors or even retro iPhones like the iPhone 4. And I have that in my little studio right now today. So I'm going to be talking about the frame that I'm going to show you guys that has all the components of the iPhone 4 broken down bit by bit, component by component, and it's all framed very nicely for your office space if you're a very big tech enthusiast. It can be framed on the wall, can be placed on your desk. Me, I have a lot of clutter in my little area here, and my desk is already maxed out to its capacity when it comes to having space for anything. My walls in my room are very small, and all these walls are occupied with stuff. I do have a little blank white spot on the wall over there, but I'm not sure if I'll be drilling holes in that or anything like that to put this frame up. But nevertheless, it is a really cool frame, and I might even give it away since I really don't have space for it in my room as of this moment currently. But if I do move to a bigger space, I could probably keep it around and actually hang it up. So I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. So let's take a look. This is what you'll be getting essentially. It's a pretty decent sized frame. I'll talk about the tech specs here in a bit, but it has all the components of the iPhone 4, and I'm gonna do some B-roll so that way you guys can get a better up close look of what is in this frame. And it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's got the SIM card tray, it's got the rear camera, it's got the home button. Y'all remember the home button? I think this might even be before Touch ID even existed. I probably am wrong. Maybe Touch ID came in the iPhone 4. I don't really recall or remember, to be honest. I need to refresh my memory on that. Might put a little correction text here in this video. Hint, hint, future to meme to edit that in. Got an earpiece, power button, logic board, camera, again, headphone jack. You have the front panel, the back panel, and then the middle component where all the pieces go. You got the battery, you got the speaker, you got the headphone jack, RIP. Unless you own an Android phone that's a gaming Android phone, then you probably still have the headphone jack and some DACs or some old LGs that are still roaming around out there, RIP. Flex cable, yeah. And it tells you when it was released. It was released in October 14th of 2011 and discontinued September 9th, 2014, RIP. And this was the iPhone 4S, not the iPhone 4. It was actually the iPhone 4S that we have over here. And it's made by the company called Xreart. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I think it's Xreart. Stay hungry, stay foolish. It's got a signature on there. So this is all handcrafted teardown, and yeah, it's decent size. It has all the stuff in the back for you to frame it if you need to frame it or whatever. Yeah, so pretty cool tech product. Nevertheless, I think it's pretty awesome. I like it. I wish I had the space for it, but check out their website, man. They have other teardowns. They have teardowns of like Gameboy Colors. Hold on, let me get my tablet. My pen just went flying. They have other teardowns of Gameboy Colors, but let me talk about the tech specs real quick. The template paper size that we have in here is 16.54 by 16.54 inches. Then you have the frame size, which is 17.64 inches by 12.76 by 1.18. So take those measurements for what you want with it. But yeah, it's got other stuff on their website, which I will cover. The iPhone 3GS. They got the Nintendo Gameboy Color frame. They got iPhone 4S, the first iPhone ever. They have the Game Boy Advance, the first gen Apple Watch, Game Boy Pocket, the PSP. That's crazy. Y'all remember the PSP? The Nintendo Game Boy, Nokia teardown. Everything is handmade. And yeah, you can definitely collect these. This one runs about $130, I think. but I will post a link in the description below with an affiliate link. So if you guys want to buy that, and I can get some commission off of it and help the channel continue to grow and produce videos like this. But yeah, that's Xreart, Xreart. I can't pronounce this for the life of me. Xreart, Xreart. I'm pronouncing it Xreart. I'm probably saying it wrong, but yeah, check that out. Yeah, so that's it for me. Just a quick little video about that really cool retro tab frame. If you like this video, of course, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon, stay tuned for more videos from me. I got more content coming, and this video is sponsored by them since they sent this out to me to reveal to you guys. So hopefully you liked it, and that's it for now. Stay safe. Peace.